Hello, you're welcome to a very interesting topic. This particular video content is titled How to Make Profit from Your Broiler Farming Before Selling Your Chickens. To some people, it looks somehow. How can someone start making profit before selling the chicken? Whereas the chicken, to some farmers, is the major target where the profit will come from. Relax in this particular content. Relax in this video. Cross your legs. Relax. Watch till the end. I'm going to guide you how we used to make profit in our farm before we even sell our broilers. And here I'm going to use 500 broilers as a case study. So if you're a farmer in any part of the globe and you are watching this particular content and you can rear up to 500 broilers, you can still do better than us. Listen and watch carefully. You can make profit from poultry droppings alone. Poultry droppings or broiler manures, whatever you call it, or you call it poo-poo, whatever name you give it, you know what I mean. You can make huge amount of profit, money that you never even expected before even selling the chicken itself. Assuming you have up to 500 broilers and you rear these 500 broilers up to 8 weeks, that is 56 days. Let me tell you what you're going to make. Now, the quantity of droppings produced by a chicken, that's by one broiler alone, from day 1 till day 56. Though there are some other factors responsible, maybe the food you give them, but we are considering that you are giving them the normal diet and they are eating the normal quantity of feed they're supposed to eat in a day. That's where I base my calculation. And if every other thing remains stable, this is what you're going to get. One broiler will give you a dropping of 0.1 to 0.15 kg per day. That is one broiler. Average of 0.1 to 0.15 kg of poultry dropping per day. I want to lay this foundation so that you understand where we're going. Now, in 56 days, that is 8 weeks, that's average time you can rear your broiler. 56 days. One broiler will give you 5.6 kg to 8.4 kg in 56 days. That's one broiler alone. Average dropping from one broiler will give you 5.6 to 8.4 kg in 8 weeks. Only one broiler. Then, assuming you have up to 500 broilers, you are getting 2,800 kilogram to 4,200 kilogram of poultry droppings from 500 broilers. Now, you can see the volume of poultry droppings from 500 broilers alone. Now, if you are using pen, deep litter system, remember we have different systems of rearing. We have battery cage, we have deep litter system, and we have free range system. Here I'm talking about deep litter system, where you build a structure, pour either wood shavings or wood chippings or wood peelings or brands or offers on the floor where you have beddings. You use these beddings, the chickens stays on them and drops their poop or whatever you call it there for complete 8 weeks, 56 days. Both the poultry droppings you are going to gather between that day 1, during the brooding stage, till the growing stage, till they get to the market stage, at 56 days, you are going to get maximum at least 4,200 kilograms of poultry droppings. Now, with the volume of wood shavings you're going to be, which you'll be changing on regular basis, we have done this calculation for over years, and we have seen that before the market day of these chickens, we have already covered enough money that we do or take care of our expenses and everything we have covered on the poultry. That's why I tag this, how to make profit before even selling your poultry chickens. You make profit from broiler, how to get money from broiler, how to maximize the profits from broiler rearing. That is the content. Now, the quantity of droppings produced by a broiler alone from day 1 to 8 weeks of life can vary based on several factors such as feed composition, water intake, health issues or health status. But however, on average, a broiler chicken can produce around 0.1 to 0.15 kilogram of droppings per day. Over the 8 weeks, that is 56 days, the total volume or total quantity of droppings produced by a broiler chicken can range from approximately 5.6 kg to 8.4 kg. This is a rough estimate, and we are working with this now. You will see the video of all the poultry droppings, including the beddings, including the floor, including the wood shavings, or whatever you are using. We used throughout the period of the 8 weeks. You're going to see the number of bags we gathered in only one operation for 8 weeks alone from 500 broilers. And you're going to estimate each of the bag is about $5, average of $5. That is each of the bags. Now, you calculate the number of bags, you see how much you are making, that you even make the money from the poultry droppings better than even from the broiler chicken itself. Now, relax. We are going there. We are getting there. Don't be scared. Relax and cool down. You get to what I'm going to tell you. Broiler farming is a very lucrative venture that can yield substantial profit for farmers. However, maximizing profit requires innovative strategies beyond just selling the birds alone. One of such strategies involves leveraging on the value of the poultry droppings, which are often considered as waste, but can be valuable resources from poultry. Now, poultry droppings alone is known as poultry manure. They are rich in nutrients, very essential nutrients for plant growth. They contain high level of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and making them an excellent organic fertilizer. Additionally, poultry droppings can be used to produce biogas through anaerobic digestion, providing a very sustainable energy or energy source for both poultry farmers, poultry farms, and individual households. Now, somebody may be asking me, what is this man talking about? Does he even know what profit is all about? Now, let me guide you. Profit is the financial gain obtained when the revenue generated from a business operation exceeds the expenses, costs, and taxes incurred in running that operation over a specified period. It is a key indicator of the financial health and success of a business. So in this context of broiler farming, profitability can be assessed based on various factors, including 1, cost of production. The cost of rearing broilers, including expenses of chicks, feed, medications, labor, housing, and utilities. should be lower than the revenue generated from selling the broilers alone. Another one is selling price. The selling price of broilers should be competitive and reflective of the market demand, ensuring that sales or sales revenue exceeds the production cost. Another one is feed conversion ratio, FCR. A lower feed conversion ratio indicates efficient conversion of feed into body weight, which can lower production costs and improve the profitability. Another one is mortality rate. Minimizing mortality rate through proper management practices can reduce loss and at the same time improve the overall profitability in that particular broiler operation. And that one is market demand. Understanding and responding to market demand for broilers can help you to maximize sales and at the same time increase your profitability. Another one is value-added products. Offering value-added products such as processed chickens or chick cuts into pieces or using of organic products can increase your profit margin in broiler rearing and broiler production. Another one is economic efficiency. Utilizing resources efficiently, such as optimizing feed formulation, reducing waste, and maximizing output, can improve your profitability in that particular operation. Scale of operation is another one. Larger scales of operation often benefit from economies of scale, which can reduce production costs and improve your profitability also. Now, having known what profit is all about, I'm going to tell you how you are going to make that profit before even selling your poultry chickens. Now, through using of poultry droppings. Poultry droppings, also known as manure, are rich in nutrients, well established. Now, what are the ways poultry farmers can make money through the droppings before selling their chickens? That is where I'm going. If by now you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Tap the subscribe, activate notification bell so that anytime I release an interesting topic for in this particular manner, this is a topic that is going to help you to shoot your profit in any of the poultry production. You will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. Do that right now and let's continue. Thank you for getting subscribed. One is fertilizer production. Poultry droppings can be composted and processed into organic fertilizer. Many farmers, crop farmers, are looking for it. They are looking for it anywhere. I don't know how you are managing your own. I don't know what you are using as your own poultry beddings that make it not to be searchable or to make it to lose value. If you don't know what to use, ask me on the comment section. I will guide you the best beddings that can help you to make the poultry droppings more profitable. These particular poultry droppings is very expensive right now. People are looking for it. It is also used as biogas production settings. In biogas settings or setting up of biogas, it is used. So many of the engineers are looking for it because it can be converted from poultry droppings into biogas, which can be used for cooking, heating, and generating of electricity. Excess biogas can be sold to the local community or used to use as farm power equipment and at the same time reduce energy costs. The droppings collection services offers dropping collection services to farmers or garden owners or compost owners and biogas digesters. The organic certification. If you use poultry droppings to fertilize crop on your farm, you will be eligible for organic certification. Organic produce commands higher prices in market, allowing it to get maximum profit. Value-added products. Process poultry droppings into value-added products such as fertilizer, soil conditioner, or pest repellent. These products can be sold directly to consumers through agricultural supply stores. Have you seen why the poultry droppings is on high demand? Because of all these areas of application I have mentioned for you: fertilizer production, biogas production, dropping collection services, organic certification, and value-added products. These are the reason why the poultry droppings are on high demand, and that's why you can use it to make profit even before selling your chickens, because you are going to get maximum bags in only 8 weeks. In our farm, we normally generate more than 80 bags of poultry droppings from 500 birds. Multiply it by $5. You now know the amount of money you can generate from your own farm. If you rear up to 500 broilers, it's even more than the profit you will make from the chicken. That is how you can make profit before selling your chicken. In conclusion, poultry droppings are a valuable resource that can help poultry farmers increase their profit by utilizing droppings for fertilizer production, biogas generation, or value-added products. Farmers can generate additional income or income streams while improving the sustainability of their operations as a poultry farmer. Making profit from broiler farming through droppings is not only beneficial for the farmers but also for the environment, as it reduces waste and promotes organic practices. A broiler farming operation can be regarded as profitable when it generates sufficient revenue to cover the production costs and provide a return on investment that is satisfactory to the farmer. Efficient management practices, market awareness, and cost control measures are essential for achieving profitability in broiler farming. If I have used these points to convince you, please give this video a thumb up. Like, comment, share. Opinion. I need your opinion on the comment section. Drop your opinion on the comment section. Or if you know of any other question that is bothering you based on this topic, drop it in the comment section. I will answer you, and at the same time I will direct you on how to go about it. Or you have been finding it difficult to get the proper beddings for your poultry pen, ask it on the comment section. I will tell you the best material you can use so that you make this particular profit many farmers are making right now. Right now, in our farm, we have more than 100 bags waiting to be filled. They have dropped the bag for us to fill it for them. Right now, we are not able to generate it, to tell you that it's on high demand. So if you are not making that profit, please drop it on the comment section. I will gladly tell you what you are going to use as your poultry beddings so that the poultry droppings will have more value than those using bran and offers. Thank you for watching till the end. Watch the video, you see the bags, you even see the vehicles loading the same poultry droppings far back to even outside the country. It is an international product now. They sell it outside the country. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And I thank all my returning viewers. Continue watching my video. Best luck. Bye. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed.